a problem I've been having. So I'm gonna press the gas and start it. And I get that message. Those work. This guy does not. Then it idles down. There used to be a check engine. Light that came on. I got it checked from AutoZone. It said it was a ECT sensor. Replaced it. And this is still happening. So I'm gonna show you a quick fix, and hopefully someone can give me some more info on this, but I'm just gonna show you a quick fix if you're still having the same problem I am. So the ECT is right down there. I replaced it, and still having this problem. Don't know what it is. I'm guessing the next thing to check it out is this part right here that kind of connects both of those and to the alternator. But I found a quick fix for it if you're having this issue as well, and that is to disconnect the battery for a little bit. I usually disconnect the battery and then I disconnect this sensor as well. It's just a little clip, you just pull it off and wait like 10 seconds, connect it back together, start it up. Also, when this happens, the fan keeps running non-stop, like if the engine was really hot, and it's not, obviously, because I started from the start of the day and it's snowing, so no, it's not hot. Let it sit for a little bit. Let's try it out. And starts right up. Gauge works. It's not overheated. Don't get that message saying the engine is hot. Obviously, there's a lot of miles in this truck, so bound to run into some problems, but we should be good to go for the day. But please comment. Let me know if there's any suggestions you got to permanently fix this problem, not just temporarily fix this problem, because I don't have time to do this all the time. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.